Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, we will know through this video bellboy job responsibilities.
You will be surprised to know how bellboys work in luxury hotels, assist international guests, and earn attractive salaries. Many people think this job is only about carrying luggage, but the real responsibilities are much bigger and more professional. Today, we will understand the real responsibilities, working hours, skills, pressure, and salary of a bellboy. Welcome to the Grand Luxury Hotel. Please allow me to show you to your room. This way, please.
You will be surprised to know that bellboys are one of the most important employees in a luxury hotel. They welcome guests and care. Bellboys are often the first hotel employees guests meet, making them an important part of hotel hospitality. They warmly greet guests at the hotel entrance with a friendly smile and professional attitude. One of the most important responsibilities of a bellboy is assisting guests with their luggage. As guests arrive, to ensure convenience and comfort, bellboys use luggage trolleys to move heavy bags smoothly throughout the hotel. Bellboys escort guests to their rooms, ensuring a smooth, comfortable, and welcoming arrival experience from the moment they enter the hotel. They explain room facilities such as air conditioning, Wi-Fi, television, and room service, ensuring guests feel comfortable experience. They guide guests about hotel restaurants, gyms, swimming pools, and other facilities, helping them make the most of. Bellboys work closely with front desk staff during guest check-ins and check-outs, ensuring smooth communication, efficient service. Guests often ask bellboys for directions, transportation advice, and information about local attractions. Providing outstanding customer service is one of the most important responsibilities of a bellboy. Every interaction is maintain a clean uniform. Bellboys must maintain a clean uniform and polished appearance and professional grooming standards at all times. They communicate politely and professionally with guests from different countries and cultures, ensuring every guest feels welcomed. In international hotels, basic English communication skated. Bellboys coordinate with receptionists, housekeepers, evidently assist guests. Bellboys coordinate with receptionists, housekeepers, concierge staff, and hotel managers to ensure smooth operations. They may arrange transportation, assist with packages, or coordinate special guest requirements, ensuring every guest. They may arrange transportation, assist with packages, or coordinate special guest requirements, ensuring this. Bellboys ensure guest belongings are handled carefully and securely at all times. Protecting guest property stamina. This role requires physical stamina because bellboys spend most of the day walking and standing. Bellboys may assist many guests and handle dozens of luggage items. Strong organization, efficiency, and excellent customer service skills. Most bellboys work between 8 and 12 hours per day depending on hotel operations. Their schedule may vary based on events. They work in beautiful hotels, luxury resorts, and hospitality brands. Every day they interact with guests from around the world. Bellboys earn a monthly salary. Bellboys earn a monthly salary and often receive additional income through guest tips. Many hotels provide accommodation, meals, transportation, uniforms, and medical benefits for their employees. Bellboy jobs are highly popular in countries such as the UAE, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. These experience. Bellboys gain valuable experience in communication, hospitality, and customer service. Feels welcomed. Basic English communication skills are extremely valuable in international hotels. They help bellboys communicate effectively. Many hotel supervisors and managers began their careers in entry-level hospitality roles. With dedication, a typical day includes greeting guests, transporting luggage, assisting reception, and providing information. Bellboys must remain calm and helpful when unexpected guest situations occur. Their ability to stay professional experience. The quality of a guest's first experience often depends on the bellboy's service. A warm welcome. Hotels rely on bellboys to create a welcoming atmosphere and improve guest satisfaction through professional service and the agent. Confidence, communication, teamwork, and customer service are essential for success. These tained in punct of being hospitality industry, the global hospitality industry continues to create new opportunities for skilled bellboys and bond. Did you know bellboys have so many responsibilities beyond carrying luggage?